So you're going through inspection and you get to the self-inspect screen for the driver station device and you encounter this. Under apps installed, it lists the robot controller app as installed with a little red exclamation mark symbol telling you that something is wrong. Here's what that means and how to fix it. It's important to understand that there's a division of responsibilities taking place between the driver station device, for example this Rev driver hub, and the robot controller device, like a Rev control hub sitting on the robot itself. There are two apps, the FTC driver station app and the FTC robot controller app, which should be installed on each of those devices respectively. What we don't want is for one of those devices to have both of the apps installed. And that's the situation we're in right now with this driver station. It has both the FTC driver station app, like it should, and the robot controller app, which it should not have. So here's how to fix it. Let's go to the main screen of the driver station device. Typically, if the FTC robot controller app is installed, it won't necessarily show up in the main app area. So to find it, we may need to dig into the app selector by swiping up. Here we see that we have the FTC driver station app, like we should, and the FTC robot controller app, which we do not want on this device. In order to get rid of it, we will go ahead and tap and hold, begin to drag it, and we're going to drag it over to the trash can icon over to the left. That will uninstall it, and we just need to confirm that we want to do so. Now we can jump back into the FTC driver station app and continue with inspection. Make sure you don't accidentally uninstall the wrong app. If you do, you can always plug your device into a computer running the Rev hardware client and easily install it again. For now, you're ready to continue with inspection.